Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the camera zoom test on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's do a zoom test, and first you need to open the camera, and then in camera let's put this plant away so we can picture it from a distance, and then I'm gonna zoom out as far as I can, and I'm gonna also zoom in as far as I can, and you can see that this is as far as I can. This is as close as I can, but I was too close to the object and it got blurry, so I'm gonna take these two pictures again, but from a far distance. Now I'm zooming in. And now you can see this difference, which is really big. This is as far as I can. This is as close as I can. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.